If you want to set a live wallpaper on Google Pixel 10a, then we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. So if you want to have an animated wallpaper or a video wallpaper, then for example, we can open settings. Next in here, we need to find the wallpaper and style option. And after that, we can go ahead and tap on more wallpapers that we have at the bottom side of the phone. And in here we can choose Living Universe. This is a category where we can find live wallpapers. So for example, if I choose this one, then I'm not sure if it's going to work on the preview, but I'm going to actually apply the wallpaper regardless. First we need to download it actually, so let's do so. Let's download the wallpaper. Alright, there we go. And now actually you can see that it is an animated wallpaper. So we're going to tap on next. We're going to apply it for both the home screen and lock screen, and there we go, we have an animated wallpaper. Now, in case you are not really satisfied with the selection of different wallpapers that we have in here, you can also use a third-party app that allows you to set an animated wallpaper or a video wallpaper. And for that reason, we can open the Play Store, tap on search at the bottom of the screen, and then search at the top over here. We can type something like a live wallpaper, video wallpaper, animated wallpaper, stuff like that. And you should be able to find many different apps that should allow you to get this kind of wallpaper. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one, the Zedge Live Wallpapers. It has a really huge library of different wallpapers that we can set pretty easily on our phone. But of course, feel free to try anything else in case you do not like this app or if it doesn't work for you for some reason. So let me show you how to use this specific app to get the wallpaper. We're gonna tap on accept and continue in here, and then we're gonna once again tap on accept. We don't have to agree to notifications, and we can close this premium offer. Now in here we should be able to switch to the video wallpapers option. In here we have many different categories that we can choose from. So let's say we're gonna go for the maybe light, why not? Let's try to find something interesting in here. And let's say we are going to choose something like this. Let's see how it looks like. There we go, we have a little animation. So now we can use this purple button that we have at the bottom of the screen. And we have two options. We can either watch and add to get the wallpaper, or you can use credits. We can actually get 10, well, we do get 10 credits once we install the app, so pretty much the first wallpaper is free. But in my case, I'm just gonna tap on watch ad instead, and now we can wait for the ad to be done. Alright, there we go. So once we skip the ad, we should be able to set video wallpaper in here. Then we can tap on set wallpaper, and we can choose for the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both. And there we go, we have an animated wallpaper, which we can use quite easily on our phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.